Brittany with WTI, and this is my first time living in a place that's snow.
And that's why I decided to use the double row spiked tracked snow chains by Auto High. These are made with wear resistant TPU, and I got the 10-pack set. As you can see the tread, the spikes, and then the grip on the outside that goes against the tire. The straps are so well made and strong. It comes with gloves, the ratchet, and a hook, as well as instructions on how to use it. It's very simple. You can put the gloves on to keep your hands from getting dirty. You put the ratchet on it and it makes the clicking sound. It is very easy to install. You put it through the 2 loops and it has a very easy time tightening exactly where you want on the tire. You can put about 5 on each tire. I decided to try 4 for the first time. When you tighten it, it usually has very little to no strap showing. The hook can also help with getting the strap in through the tire. The roads very often have compact snow, black ice, inclement weather, along with wild animals. This fit our Toyota RAV4 tires very well, and it works so good with ice, slush, mud. My husband said he noticed a huge difference in how much control he had. You can see what a great job it does gripping. And then to undo it, you lift the metal flap and that loosens the gears so that you can easily remove all of the straps. And even though it was dirty on both sides, it was so easy to clean because of the material. I just put it in the shower, scrubbed both sides, let it dry, and now they are just as new, ready to go and put in the back of your car.
Because all of this is new for me, this gave me so much peace of mind knowing this was in the back of our car. For an emergency, we could get it out, put it on our car, and get home safe. That is my point of view.